Hi everyone, I would also like to welcome you to our webinar. In the course of business, sometimes we sell to our vendors or purchase from our customers. In Sage 300 ERP, these entities are created as vendors and customers, and there is no link between them. ERP settlements allow us to link vendors and customers and settle their transactions with each other, as well as view the net balance of an entity. Today, I will show you how. One of the key concepts in ERP settlements is the settlement group. Settlement group allows you to link various customers and vendors with one another. For example, in settlement group 5, I have one customer which is linked with 3 vendors, and in settlement group 6, I have 3 customers which are linked to 3 vendors. I can settle documents of linked customers and vendors with one another by creating and posting a settlement entry transaction. When creating a settlement entry transaction, first I will select what is the settlement group for which I want to settle the documents. Let's select settlement group 5. Now on the receivable tab, I will see all open documents for customers belonging to this group. And on the Payables tab, I will see all open documents for vendors belonging to this group. Now I can settle these documents one against another, and I have 3 different ways of settling them. First one is manual. For manual, I will just manually select which documents I want to settle. So let's say from the Payables, I want to settle this document and this document. And from receivables, I want to settle this document, and this document. Or I can choose automatic settlement. When I click the automatic settlement button, the application calculates what is the total receivables and payables, settles the one which is less completely. So in my sample company, that is payables. And on the other side, it settles selected documents. And the third way of settling is semi-automatic. Let me show you this one. Now in this case, on one side, I will select the documents manually. For example, on the payables, I can say that I want to settle this document and this document and this document. And on the other side, I will select to auto-apply by a certain criteria. Let's choose the due date here. Okay. Now the application will select the documents and it will apply based on my criteria. Once the document is added and posted, it creates adjustment transactions in accounts payable and accounts receivable modules. In this case, in accounts payable module, I will have 3 entries, one for each document I have settled and for the knockoff amount. And in accounts receivable, I will have only one adjustment entry because there was only one document settled. I can also print a settlement form and send it to my business partner, informing them which documents I have settled. So this is an example of settlement form. The application also allows you viewing settlement group balance. This I can do by printing settlement group statement. Let's print settlement group statement for group 5. The report will display for me all open documents for all customers with the net receivables, open documents for all vendors with the total payables, and the net of the group, which is receivables minus payables. Alternatively, you can inquire about the customer and vendor total balances for the group from the inquiry screen. This screen shows you the total balance for each vendor belonging to the group, for each customer belonging to the group. And if you want, you can double click on a customer and see all the documents belonging to that customer or all the receivable documents belonging to the settlement group. AR/AP Settlements also has done a small enhancement to AR receipt and AP payment transaction screens. Let me show you them. As you can see, this is the familiar AP payment screen with a small enhancement to it. Now when I select here a vendor which belongs to a settlement group, you can see here to which settlement group the vendor belongs and what is the total receivables of that group in the vendor currency and in payment currency. Similarly, in the customized AR receipt entry screen, you can see to which settlement group the customer belongs and what is the total payables of that group in customer currency and in receipt currency. This is all I wanted to show you today for AR/AP settlements. Thank you for